section. In the previous section, we discussed Roman numerals. Here, exercise 1, page number 16. The first one, write each of the following in Roman numerals. Our questions are A. 9, B. 12, C. 23, D. 28, E. 30, F. 37. Okay, our aim is to convert these numbers in Roman numerals. Okay, let us start. How will you write this number 9? 9 equal 10 minus 1, that is Ix. Okay, 9 denote Ix. The next one 12. 12 equal 10 plus 1 plus 1 or 10 plus 2. How will you write 10? X denote 10. That is X I. X I. That is 12. The next number 23. This can be 23 can be split 20 plus 3 or 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Otherwise 20 plus 3. How will you write 20? 2x makes 20. Again 3. 3i makes 3. Read as 23. Clear? The next one. 28. That is 20 plus 5 plus 3. 20 plus 5 plus 3. Then 20. 2x makes 20. Then 5. V denote 5 and 3. 3i makes 3. 28. 5 plus 3. 28. Okay. The next is 30. That is 10 plus 10 plus 10. Okay. Or 30 can be written x. Maximum we can repeat only 3 times. Then 37. 30 plus 5 plus 2. 35 plus 2. 37. That is 3x makes 30. Then 5 and 2i makes 2. 30 plus 5 plus 2. 37. Okay, clear? The second question, write each of the following in Hindu-Arabic numerals. Our aim is convert these Roman numerals as Hindu-Arabic numerals. Okay, the first question, VI. V denote 5 and I denote 1. So, the readers 6. Okay. Then, next one. Here, X, I. X denote 10. 3i makes 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 13. Okay. The next one. X, I. Here, more symbols. 2x makes 20. Then the smaller is left to the greater. Here one is greater, 5 is greater than 1. So, separate this and this. Here 2x makes 20. X plus x, 10 plus 10, 20. Then here 5 minus 1. That is equal 20 plus 4 equal 24. Here a smaller number is left to the greater number, means subtraction. Okay, then here XL. L is greater than X, isn't it? L is greater than X. L denote 50. Here greater number comes the right side. Subtraction. Here 50 minus X denote 10. That is equal 40. Okay. The next one. Here XLI. XLI. Here XL, take XL. Here when we take this 1 minus 10 it's become a negative number. So here take only, here L is a greater number and X is smaller. Okay, so addition 50 plus 10 plus 1. 50 plus 10 plus 1 equal 61. Okay, let us continue the second exercise. Exercise 2, page number 70. The first question, write the following in Roman numerals. Here the questions convert in Roman numerals. Okay, here the first question, 95. How will you write this 95 in Roman numeral? Any symbol for 90? No. So, we can split this 90 plus 5, 95. Okay. Then, the 95 denote? Yes, XZ. XC. Then 5 denotes 5. XC. That means 100 minus 10. That is XC. A greater number. Right side and left side smaller number, that means subtraction. XC, C minus X, that is 100 minus 10, 90. That 90 plus 5. The next question is 130. How do you split this 130? Yes, 100 plus 30. It can be written 100 plus 30. What's the symbol for 100? C. C, then 30, 3x makes 30. C, X denotes 130. Okay. Then, 163. How will you split this 163? 163 can be written 100 plus 50 plus 10 plus 3. Okay. 100 plus 50, 150, 150 plus 10 plus 3, 163. The letters, the symbol for 100, yes, C. C, then 50, 50, L, C, L, then 10, X, and 3. 3I makes 3. 100, 50, 100 plus 50 plus 10 plus 3, 163. Okay. The next question, 212. 212. Here the 200. That means 100 plus 100, isn't it? So, it can be split up 200 plus 10 plus 2. Okay, here 200. C denote 100. So, C 200. Then 10. X denote 10. And 2. 2I makes 2. This is 200 plus 10 plus 2. 212. Okay? Yes, good. The next one. 289. 289. It can be split up 200 plus 89. 50 plus 30 plus 9. Okay, 200 plus 50 plus 30 plus 9. 9. Okay. 200. 2C makes 200. Then 50. L denote 50. Again 30. 3x makes 30. And 9. How do you write 9? Yes, 10 minus 1. That is I, X. X denotes 10. The left side is smaller number or smaller symbol I. That means 9. 10 minus, this 10 minus 1, 9. 200 plus 50 plus 30, 80 plus 9, 289. Clear? The next one, 334. 334. It can be split up 300. 100 plus 100 plus 100, 300 plus 30. 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30 plus 4. We cannot write I. 4i. We cannot write 4i because the maximum repetition is only 3 times. So we have to write for us IV. 5 minus 1, that is 4. Okay. Here 300 plus 30 plus 4. Okay. 300 plus 30 plus 4 equal C X IV. C X IV. 334. C 100 plus 100 plus 100, 300. Then 30. X plus X. 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. Plus 4. IV makes 4. We cannot write I. So, IV. 5 minus 1, 4. 334. Okay, clear? Okay. The next one. What's the next number? 467. This 467, we cannot write 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. That is 4 times. So, we take 500 minus 100. 500 minus 100. The symbol for 500? Yes, D. D denote 500. D minus 100. That is C. D. 500 minus 100. Then that is 400 plus 60. 50 plus 10, 60. Then 7. 5 plus 2, 1 plus 1, 7. Okay. This is 400 plus 50 plus 10 plus 5 plus 2. Okay. 400. I will write 400. 500 minus 100. 400. This is 400. And 50, 10, 5, 2. Okay. 500 minus 100, 400. Then L denote 50 and X denote 10. B denote 5 and 2. This can be read as 467. Okay. Then the next one. How do you write this next number? 500 plus 50 plus 20 plus 9. Okay. 579. 500 plus 50, 550 plus 20, 570 plus 9, 579. Then which symbol denote the 500? Yes, D. That is D 50. L 20. 2x makes 20 and 9. Okay. IX is 9. 579. Okay. Then the last I. Read as 1038. 1038. Okay, how do you write this 1038? 1000. It can be split up. We have the symbol 1000. 1000 plus 30 plus 8. 5 plus 3. Okay. Here the symbol for 1000. Yes, M denote 1000. M. Then 30. 2x makes 30. Sorry, 3x makes 30. Then 5 and 3. 3i makes 3. Okay. M denote 1000. Then 30. 3x makes 30. Then 5 and 3. 1038. 1000 plus 30 plus 5 plus 8. 1038. Okay, clear? Yes, the last one. 1256. Can you write 1256? 1256. Here 1000 plus, yes, 200 plus 50 plus, good. Then 5 plus 1. Okay, 1000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 5 plus 1. Okay, here 1000, yes, M denote 1000, then 200, yes, C denote 100, so write 2C, 200, then 50, L denote 50, L, and 5, V denote 5, I denote 1. Okay, M, C, L, V, I. Okay, M 1000, C 100, again C 100, 200, then L 50, V 5, I 1. 1256. Okay, clear? The next question is, write the following in Hindu Arabic numerals. Here, the Roman numerals are given. Convert this as Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay? The first question, X, L, I. First of all, group these symbols. How will you group this? Here, X, L, first group. The second group, I. Okay. The XL can be written. The X denotes 10 and this denote, L denote 50. That is 50 minus 10 plus 3I makes 3. 50 minus 10, 40. Plus 3, 43. The symbol denote 43. Okay. Clear? The next question is LXIX. LXIX. The greatest number, or the greatest symbol is the right side of the smaller symbol. So, how will you group this? Okay, this way is L denote L plus X plus Xi. Okay, here L denote 50 plus X denote 10 plus Ix denote 9. Okay, 10 minus 1, 9. The answer is 69. Okay, 69. L 50, X 10 and 9. 50 plus 10 plus 9, 69. Okay. The next one. How will you group these numbers? 69. Okay. The next one. C triple X, X and 5. How will you group? Here C, this 3X and 5. Okay. C denote 100 plus here 30 plus V 5 equal 135. Okay, 135. Clear? The next one. CLXII. CLXII. L is less than C and X is less than L. So, simply AND. If the greater number comes the right side, subtraction. Here, C is greater than L and L is greater than 10. So, addition. Here, C denote 100 plus L denote 50 plus X denote 10 plus 2I makes 2 equal 162. Okay, 100 plus 50 plus 10, 160 plus 2. Clear? Yes. Again the next one. CXC. Here C is greater than X. Okay, here addition. And X is less than C. The right side is a greater number. So, when we grouping these ways, C makes 100 plus this is 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10. Okay. So 100 plus 90 equal 190. This number is 190. Okay. Then the last one. Here. C is greater than x and x is greater than 1. Okay. We can add these symbols. 2C makes 200 plus x 10 plus 2 equal 212. 200 plus 10 plus 2. 212. Okay. Then how will you group these symbols? Here, the smaller is right side, so we can group this way. Okay. Here 3C. 3C makes 300 plus L 50 plus 30 plus 2. Okay. 300 plus 50 plus 30 plus 2. 382. 382. Okay, clear? Is it clear? Okay. Then next one. The next one is DXI. D denote? D denote? Yes, 500. D denote 500 and X denote 10 and 2I makes 2 equal 500 plus 10 plus 2 equal 512. Clear? 512. Yes. The next one is DXII. Here we can split up DXIII. Okay. D denotes. What's D denotes? Yes, 500. D denotes 500 plus 10 plus 3. Okay. 500 plus 10 plus 3 equal 530. Okay. 530. The next one. The symbols are M, D, X, X, V. Here M is greater than D and D is greater than X. So we can add. Here M denotes, what's M denotes? 1000. 1000 M, D, X, X, V. M denote 1000 plus D denote 500 plus 2x makes 20 plus V denote 5 equal 1000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 5. 1525. Okay, 1525. The last question is DCCLXII. How will you split up these symbols? DCCLXII. Okay. The symbol represents D. D denotes 500 plus 2C makes 200 plus L denote 50. Then X denote 10 plus 2I makes 2. Okay. 500 plus 20. 2 C's are 20 plus L denote 50, 10 and 2. 500 plus 200 plus 50 plus 10 plus 2. 500 plus 200, 700 and 750, 760, 762. Okay, the answer is 762. Okay, the answer is 762. Clear? Okay, today's class is over. Your homework is exercise 1, page number 16. and exercise 2, page number 17. Can you write this? Okay. Your chapter is over. The next video you can watch the next chapter. Okay. Thank you.